Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now this is a very awkward situation because awkward kind of position. I have to do this or basically start this video in here because I just can't get the lighting correct in this video, and because there's sunset happening going on, I just can't get the lighting going on perfectly. And here I am filming an unboxing video from one of my favorite brands, Mugler. Now this is the first Mugler piece I've ordered from their website, and I'm beyond excited to show you guys what I have ordered basically from the website. It's something that I've seen quite a while ago and I was like, oh my god, I really like this, and then I could stop not thinking about it. And you know what, when you can't stop thinking about something, you just have to order it. You just have to order it, splash the money and order it. But in my offense, this product or this item or this piece of outerwear, paint, was on sale. Now they have currently a sale going on their website, which I have seen for the first time. Maybe I've done it in the past, but this is the first time I'm seeing it. So this was a half price on sale. So I ordered it and I'm excited to show you because I had a quick sneak peek, but I did not open it fully because this is my first impression and order for me to unbox it, and I'm so excited. Now this is the box. It's a huge box, brown box, and it's quite heavy. Let me just open it with you guys. Are you guys ready to see the box? Look at that. I'm literally matching with the packaging. Can you guys see? This is amazing for a thumbnail. Let me just fix my thumbnail. Oh my god, the box is huge, it's massive, and it's quite heavy as well. Let me just put it down here. I'm literally matching the box. So great. Maybe this was intentional, who knows? So yeah, let me just get into this box. It's just one item, you guys. Let me just show you. Ladies and gents, and here why I present you guys my first ever piece from Mugler. Now I hope the sizing is correct. Oh my god. This is a denim jacket. Can you guys see this denim jacket? Oh my god. This looks so good. Can you guys see? Wow. I'm in love. What I really like about the denim jacket is the design. Like, I feel like it's got many type of denim kind of stitched around it. All over the sleeves. On the other side. At the front and here. And it's got the Mugler logo at the back. I really like this leather logo at the back. It's so cool. Can you guys see that? Wow. Love it. It looks so nice, so luxurious, and the denim feels super heavy as well as thin at the same time. So, guys, let's just try it on. And I'm so sorry about this wonky camera. Honestly, I don't know if my tripod is too short or I've become taller somehow. I just can't get the position and the angles right today in this video. Okay, let's see. Guys, can you guys see how amazing this looks? I love the design. Wow. I'm just looking here in the mirror and look at the back. It's got this nice logo in here and love it. Absolutely love it. Now, the only downside of this is that the sleeves are too long. Let me show you properly. Sorry about me in the mirror, it's a bit distracting. Can you guys see the sleeves are a bit too long in here? Like, look, this is the sleeves and it's short from here. Okay, you guys can see, sorry about my tracksuits. Short from here, but the sleeves are long. And you guys can see the logo in here as a leather patch. It fits nicely in here as the collar, and can you guys see the shoulders are really dropping? Now this is an oversized denim jacket, so it's supposed to be oversized, but I got the size 40, French 40, which falls under equal as a UK size 12. So I'm a bit like confused because the sizing is quite big, and I know it's oversized, but it's really oversized. I mean, like, let me close it. If you look at the side is also like long like this and falls like tall like this. Like so. I mean, it's quite oversized if I think about this now. I mean, so I had a closer look. Now the details are exceptional. The craftsmanship, the way it has been stitched. This is the main reason why I got this jacket, because of the stitching. It's got like this over layers and layers and layers and layers. Can you see? Layers of denim. which I think is so unique. I've never seen a brand done like this. And look at the sleeves. So it's got the layers and layers, and then when you got the layer, it's obviously got the slit where it's got the what do you call this? The buttons in here. And the buttons got the, let me just zoom onto this. It's got, I don't know if it doesn't want to zoom right now, it's got Mugler Paris written in here. So each button has got the same kind of Mugler Paris buttons. So overall the craftsmanship and the attention to detail is exceptional, beautiful, 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 beautiful. However, the only thing I'm gutted about is the sizing. So annoyed. Now, please let me know in the comments, what you guys do you think? What's the sizing situation in this? Now, it's quite oversized. I mean, my arms are literally hidden in here. I mean, I can't even do this over time because it's quite oversized, and I'm not used to this oversized look. And even the front, if I do this, kind of sticks out. Even if I do this, it does have, my arms, my hands are out, however it does have a lot of fabric in here. Can you guys see so much fabric of the denim? And I think this is, all of this is excess fabric, which I'm not a fan of, to be honest. I do get the oversized look, but this is a bit too oversized for me. And what I'm gonna do, since this video is quite a bit long now, I'm not gonna style it right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna style it and create a TikTok / YouTube Shorts / Reels. So head on over on my other socials, or just wait on YouTube for my YouTube Shorts, and I'm gonna style it the way I like it. Maybe I'm gonna wear something thicker underneath because I'm wearing something thin in here. So maybe I will wear something thicker underneath, style it with my jeans and maybe with my boots, and see if I can create an outfit. If I can create an outfit, if that outfit sells me, then I'm gonna keep it. If it doesn't, I might have to return it and maybe get a smaller size if it's still available, because obviously, you know, with sale items, with sale stock, they sell out immediately, and I'm very gutted about this piece in terms of the sizing. So do let me know if you guys like the jacket, and do let me know how the sizing is. Please be nice in the comments, don't be harsh. I do accept constructive criticism, but no negative comments. So anyways, I'm gonna leave this video in here. Hope you guys all like this kind of fail video of unboxing / I don't really know if I should keep it or not. Do let me know what you guys think, and hopefully I will see you guys very soon in my next video, or I will see you guys in my other social networks, channels, platforms. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.